Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Tolulicious Kitchen. Today we'll be cooking OFE NSALA soup. This recipe is perfect for everyone living abroad and you want to enjoy this soup. Even if you live back at home, you can also follow this easy recipe. You will be amazed with the super results you're going to have. Let us get it started. What I have here is the protein I'll be using. Feel free to use any kind of protein that you have. Now I added salt into this and I'm also going to add seasoning. That is the seasoning I'll be using. You can use Knorr, you can use Maggi. Seasoning is very good for the boiling of the meat because the meat stock is very, very important. So into it, I'm going to add diced onions. Please be generous with your onions. They will love the result. I'm going to add chili flakes into it. You can just throw 1 or 2 habanero pepper into this. It's also good. So I'm going to give it a gentle mix. Thank you so much to RSKAK from Germany. Thank you so much for liking my recipe. And Skriger Plates from Austria. Thank you so much for liking my recipe. I'll quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers as well. Thank you for your love. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Please remember to subscribe. Remember to follow. You'll be glad you did. Thank you. Now I'm going to cover the meat and allow it to boil in its own juice. What I'm showing you here are the cocoa yam I'll be using. You can also use yam for this. If you love to use cocoa yam, get it at your Afro shop. You will have it there. Now I peeled it and I washed it well. I'm just going to check the meat. It has been boiling in its own juice for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see what it has produced. I'm still going to add more water because the meat stock is what we need for this recipe. Into this, I'm going to add stock fish. We call this panla. It has been well washed. I'm also going to add dried fish into this. And I'm just going to give them gentle mix for the meat and the fish to become one. And it's now time to add the cocoa yam. Like I've said, you can also use yam, normal yam for this recipe. But I must tell you, I love this cocoa yam. I got it at my African shop. Okay, now I added enough water into this because I want to use this meat stock to boil the cocoa yam. So I'm going to cover it and boil till soft. It doesn't take time. You can see the cocoa yam is done. So I'm just going to take it out of the meat stock and all I need to do is to mash it. You can use your blender, you can use your mortar. It is very easy because it is soft. I'm just going to cover the meat and allow it to be cooked up to 90%. Okay, so into this, I'm going to add crayfish powder. This is blended crayfish. Be generous with it. You will love it. And into this, I'm going to add my blended dried locust beans and a bit of blended Utazi, Uziza and Huda. Very little. Tell them at home to make this for you. Have it in a glass jar in your kitchen. And whenever you're cooking this, just need a bit of it, not too much. And into the soup now, I'm going to add my blended cocoa yam. That is the cocoa yam I boiled in that meat stock. I just used my blender to mix it. I added a bit of water. You can see now I added it back into the meat stock. I'm just going to cover it now and allow it to cook and dissolve. Within 10 to 12 minutes, you will have it all dissolved like this. I give it a gentle mix and it's now time to add some vegetables. I do not have Uziza leaves, but lovelies for the Abroadians. If you have kale, add a bit of it into it and I bet it you will love it. I give it a gentle mix, taste for salt and seasoning and adjust at the stage. So after 2 to 3 minutes, our OFE NSALA soup is ready. This tastes super delicious. Like I've said, ask the people to prepare those seeds for you at home. They can roast it, blend it and send it to you. Have it in your jar in kitchen. For years, you'll still be enjoying this. This tastes super perfect and brought back home memory. Lovelies, make sure you give this a try and I bet it you also love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.